Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Tech, where we talk about everything tech. Today we're going to be discussing a 2-month follow-up on the Groove Onn Wireless Headphones that you can get from Walmart for about $20. I previously did an unboxing and review of these about 2 months ago, and today I want to discuss my general impressions and take on them after 2 months of use. And so we'll just get started. So the headphones you can pick up from Walmart, as I said. I got them for a little bit cheaper than the $20. They were like clearance for like $5 to $10, which was a nice price. In the packaging, it essentially comes with this carrying or charging case that has this clear flip-up lid. The headphones are directly insert into this case, and then you have a separate charging cable that essentially is a USB-A port to, looks like a micro USB-C port that connects to the bottom of the charging station. The wire or the cable does not come with an adapter, so you'll have to get some sort of wall adapter to connect it to the wall to charge this entire setup. But that's what comes in the case. Additionally, it provides instructions on the general features and how to use the different features with like the tap features and things like that. The specifications, the headphones themselves have about a 4-hour use before you need to recharge them. Throughout my experience, whenever it starts approaching the time period when it becomes dead, it'll beep either in like the right or the left headphone to give you notification. And it probably beeps about 3 to 4 times before it actually goes dead. So you do get a kind of heads up of, hey, I need to charge this and do whatever I need to do for charging it. So it has lasted about 4 hours of use each time. The charging station itself, or the charging case, it has 4 to 5 uses where you can charge the headphones to their entirety before you have to connect it to the wall and charge the charging case. And that's been pretty much consistent with what I've experienced so far as well. The nice feature about it, you might be able to see it on the phone, on the camera, is on the top here on both the headphones on the top, as well as the charging case, there are LED lights that essentially turn from green to this like orangish red. So when it's starting, the headphones or the charging case need to be charged, it'll provide an indicator light that you need to charge it, which is a general nice feature, so you know, hey, I need to charge this before I use it again, so you don't end up going out and not having headphones. Beyond that, the features built into it essentially is the right headphone allows for tap features where you can start the music, pause the music, or skip ahead for a song. And then the left one has different voice activation features as far as when you're on phone calls. I've used it for both music as well as phone calls without any issues. As far as phone calls, I have used it with like a microphone feature where I've had no issues communicating to those on the other end as far as understanding what I've been able to say. So that's my sense of that. And then as far as my general use, I've been using them consistently for walking my dog in the morning, doing runs, occasionally like sitting outside for a period of time, listening to music. The longest period of time I've ever used it at one time was like about 4 hours in one sitting when I was detailing my car. It ended up going dead. I charged it for an hour and then I was able to use it the rest of the time for about 8 hours total in that day. Additionally, the first time I used these, I ended up kind of seeing how the case worked as far as charging. It essentially allowed it to go dead before connecting it to the wall. And I did get about 24 hours use before I had to charge it with the wall adapter. Beyond that, as far as comfort, as far as inserting into your ear, it's very straightforward. It is pretty comfortable. When you put it immediately in your ear, there is like some sort of sensor in here that the second you put it in your ear, either through pressure or the position of the headphone, it'll beep and identify that the headphone is in your ear. So once you Bluetooth connect it to your phone, automatically your phone will identify it and then start playing what's currently playing. If you take it out of your ear, it will beep again and then it'll stop whatever is playing as well, so it'll pause it, which is a nice feature. So if you have to take it in and out of your ear, immediately you can pull it in and out and it'll stop the music, and when you put it in, it'll play the music again, which is nice. They are comfortable. There's no like pain or discomfort as far as wearing them. They look decent. They kind of stick out of your ear pretty prominently, but it is what it is. And then as far as when I've been using it for walking and running, I have not had issues as far as it falling out of my ear. I don't think I've ever had it fall out at all, which is nice as well, because that's always something worrisome where you might either drop it and break it or drop it and lose it in the process while you're using it. Additionally, let me think. Additionally, the one thing I will say is that when you put it in your ear, because it has this tap feature, say it shifts or moves in your ear, or you have to reach up and adjust it. Sometimes what I find is the one kind of complaint about this is that when you reach up, sometimes it automatically pauses the music and misinterprets it as you tapping the headphone to stop it. And that's occasionally annoying, where when I'm running or something and I reach up and touch it real quick, it'll pause the music and then I'll have to kind of mess around with it to get it going again. So that's the one major complaint I would have about these overall as far as the routine use. Beyond that, I'll say that the Bluetooth connectivity is pretty good reception. I've used it consistently with my phone, either on the left side of my body, right side of my body, and I haven't had issues as far as it connecting and getting reception. I did experience that previously with like a cheap TJ Maxx version of these, where essentially those headphones consistently, like based on the location of my phone or where the phone was located, I'd get poor reception, which was kind of ridiculous for a pair of headphones. And that's about it, I think. So these are the Groove Onn wireless headphones. You can get them from Walmart for about $20. This is my first real experience with wireless or Bluetooth headphones, and so far these have really fulfilled the need that I've been using them for, and I don't really have any major complaints based on my overall use. I don't have a comparison or benchmark of more expensive headphones, so I can't really speak to that. However, for $20, this is a great price. And so far, the charging features, the longevity have been suiting my needs for what I do for running, walking the dog, and everyday use when I'm outside listening to music and things like that. So if you have any questions about these, please post them below. I'll be happy to answer them, and I hope this video helps in guiding you on whether you want to purchase these. Pretty much every Walmart has them, and you can look at the store to get them there if you want. So that's all I have. So if you like this video, please like it. And if you're interested in subscribing to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great night.